Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to draw in PowerPoint using the ink tools and keyboard shortcuts. These tools are perfect for highlighting ideas, annotating slides, or adding a personal touch during presentations. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the Draw tab on the ribbon. Here you'll find tools like the pen, pencil, highlighter, and eraser. To quickly switch between tools, you can use keyboard shortcuts. Press Ctrl plus P to select the pen, Ctrl plus I for the highlighter, and Ctrl plus E to activate the eraser. Once your tool is selected, click and drag on the slide to draw or highlight. You can also use a digital pen or touchscreen for more precise input. To change the color or thickness of your ink, select the pen or highlighter and adjust the options in the Draw tab. If you want to erase, simply select the eraser tool and drag over the ink you want to remove. And that's it. Using the ink tools with keyboard shortcuts in PowerPoint lets you annotate slides quickly and efficiently, making your presentations more engaging and interactive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more PowerPoint tips to enhance your slides.